Okay, let's hello dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful afternoon. So I finished packaging the order and about to go out to ship it out. So I was thinking maybe I will take this chance to go out to have some fun. So do a makeup for going out. And I bought this stick, foundation stick that has two colors, and none of it fits me. So I put a little bit dark, a little bit light, and then I combine them together on my face. Sometimes the color is darker, sometimes the color is lighter. It is my decision. It is my ability or inability to adjust. And it's quite interesting. So and this one is actually bronzing color, and I use it as my foundation face powder, so you can see how dark my skin is because of a suntan. And the other day my friend said, "Oh, you look so tanned," because I go to swim every day. That is something we do. That's what we do. And I like it because it's so light. There is no little sponge or anything. Because I do not need, I can use this brush. It's good. And I like something super duper simple. And this one is a single functioning things. So I want to make it single functioning and very, very, very simple. Let's see. Do you hear me or hear the background? When you have family, okay, I will stop here and show you a bit later. How about that? Let's see if they quiet down a little bit. I can hear very, very significantly. I do not know about you. But this is family, right? Family, there is sound. You cannot do anything about it. There is nothing wrong with family having sound. Going out. little bit over, and do you hear me or do you? Okay, and this is the time to smear it a little bit so that you can have a little bit smearing, blending. I'm so curious, so very curious how it sounds. We will see. I shall listen to. Okay, I am almost there. Now a little bit of color on my lip, and then I will be done. I need to use something or smear. Anyway, okay, I got this chapstick, and not really chapstick, but this one is a lip balm with very, very light color, so that you can. Okay, bye bye, friends. I love you. I really do. Do 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 do. Gulu gulu. Bye 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 bye.